Here at Seattle Children's, they said that no one was available for an interview about this today, but they did confirm in a statement that mold was detected, and they reported it to the Washington State Department of Health on May 12th.
As first reported by the Seattle Times, routine air tests detected low levels of fungal spores in several operating rooms and an equipment storage room at Seattle Children's main campus, where mold has been an ongoing problem. Since 2001, there have been at least 14 young patients infected by Aspergillus mold. 7 have died. In an email today, a spokesperson for Washington State Department of Health says the mold recently detected is a different type than the species associated with previous cases of Aspergillus surgical site infections at Seattle Children's. The agency adds at this time, no infections have been reported in patients. It's still particularly concerning for Sim Osborne.
I mean, how does this happen again and again and now again?
The attorney represents Haley Seymour's family in a lawsuit against the hospital. Her baby contracted a mold infection months after Seattle Children's had closed operating rooms to make changes because of the presence of Aspergillus. Her son, who was born with an underdeveloped heart, required surgery on October 1st. He was sent home but became sick and was brought back.
When they opened him up at Children's, his entire heart was covered in black Aspergillus mold.
Osborne says the baby's been in the hospital ever since. He describes him as a fighter, and the family's grateful for the doctors and nurses who've been by his side. Seattle Children's has said it won't comment on the pending litigation. As for the low levels of Aspergillus versicolor spores just detected, in an email, a Seattle Children's spokesperson states it is a kind of mold that generally is not associated with causing surgical site infections. Nevertheless, an expansive evaluation is underway.
The hospital says several operating rooms have been closed down and will likely remain closed for several weeks. In Seattle, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.